Hello, this is Irish Gamer and I'm about to do an unboxing of the Clio A380 Plus. Let me just give you a preview of the box. And it's quite a big box. Let me give you a look at the fronts. Now this is quite an old case design. I seen it advertised from about 2 years ago. But it was incredibly cheap, and it's got some massive big fans on it which drew my attention. So design wise it might be a little dated, well maybe a touch dated, but it looks terrific. The airflow has to be brilliant in it, and I'm pretty excited. So as I said, this is going to be for my new build, my new end of year build, the last one I'm going to be doing this year anyway. So let me just start unboxing it now. Excuse the mess on the floor there. Now, so this is going to be for my latest build anyway, as I said, and it's going to be, let me just show you if I may. It's going to be a Phenom 2 system. It's X4955. Now I know there is absolutely a newer chip coming out next month, but this was at a nice price. And you know, if you keep waiting for the very next processor, you never buy anything. So it should be nice. Anyway, let me just give you a run over some of the other parts while I'm here. There's a gigabyte motherboard. There's a 750 watts power supply. That is some DDR3 RAM, and that's actually a Raptor there, if you can see where my finger is. And inside this box is a 1 terabyte hard disk drive. Now I have actually several spare video cards, so I'm planning to do 4050 Crossfire, should I say. So as I said, this is a temporary measure until the new cards come out in about 2 months time. So depending on how much or what price they are, I'll be installing DirectX 11 cards into it, and a couple of my other PCs. It all depends on if I can sell them on eBay, the old ones, or not, you know, because finances are limited this weather, I think. Now, I was supposed to start building this earlier on, but haven't been terribly well, so I'm going to build this new computer in stages over the weekend, so there'll be no big long video of the build. It'll be probably just glimpses of whatever stage it's at. Anyway, so let's get on with the unboxing. You wanted to see the Clio, so that's what you're tuned in for. So here we go. Now, I'm not terribly good at video, so you'll have to forgive me. No, so here we go. I'll try and keep my hands steady. That's one. That's two. Now this is actually a silver model. The black was actually, I think it's worked out at about 80 euros. The black model was like well over 100, so I can only assume they must have loads of these sitting around in stock. And as I said, it's like a 2-year-old design at least, so that's maybe why it was going cheap. This case I bought off eBay as well, so now there's a big fan. Look at that. I'll stick my hands beside it. Yeah, hand looks a bit red under the camera, but anyway. So as you can see, it is pretty big. That's my hand now. Okay. Now, here we go. Now, you know, 3D man, his tip is to turn the case upside down, but that probably means it goes face first. But anyway, I'll give it a go. So, well, I've only got one hand, so oh well, here we go. So bear with me for a second. Yes, I'll have to do it like 3D man said. Turn the box upside down. So hang on. Going sideways. Going sideways. So here we go. Oh, by the way, I'm filming on an iPhone, so yes, it's it's doing the floor, but right, upside down we go. Bear with me for 1 second. Oh. Okay, remember 3D man said this is the way to do it, so you'll probably lose picture now for a second, so bear with me. And whoa, a little bit of a bang there. And here we go. Woohoo! There she goes. So he was right, it is the easiest way to do it. So we're on space now, so let's turn her the right way up. Excellent, excellent. Here we go. Oh, and it's upside down. Okay, there we go. Wow, oh, look at the size of that fan. Look at that now. That's my hand. Do you see the size of it? Wow. Okay, let's get around. Doo-doo. So let's zoom around. I have the dishwasher open, so let me close it up. Here we go. So I'm going to lift it now, so bear with me. Boom, boom. Boom. Right, here we go. Now bear with me, sorry.